Looking for a smarter way to manage your migrated tickets? The Add Tags to Tickets feature gives you exactly that. It's part of our automated custom options that let you adjust your data migration out of the box. Let's say you have a ticket in your source help desk. Right now, it looks like any other. You want to make sure it's easy to spot after migration. In the Migration Wizard, you choose the Add a New Tag to Tickets option and enter a tag, let's say Migrated_2025. Then you run your free demo migration. A few seconds later, that same ticket appears in your target platform with the tag you added. Now, you can instantly recognize migrated data and work with it more efficiently. Run a live help desk during migration. Use tags to exclude imported tickets from triggers or automations. You prevent double replies and avoid customer confusion. Merging several accounts into one? Tag each migration differently. You'll always know which ticket came from where. Bringing in data from multiple mailboxes or projects? Tags help you keep everything clearly separated. Combining two active platforms? Tags make it easy to distinguish between incoming and existing tickets. Need to build accurate reports? Filter by tag and get clean, reliable insights. No manual sorting required. Try it now. Run a free demo migration and see how one tag can give you full control over your help desk data.